Now we are going to learn working with page and section breaks in Microsoft Word. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a page break in Word. Word automatically adds a break at the end of each page. You can also insert a manual page break anytime you want to start a new page in your document. There are two simple steps for creating your page break. First, place the cursor where you want to start a new page. If you want to break up a long document and insert a page break between paragraphs, for example, make sure the cursor is in front of the first character that you will start the new page. Go to Insert Page Break. Word will start a new page wherever the cursor is. As you can see in this figure, we have to go on the layout and we have to click on the line and page break option. We see a new window appear, and after that we will follow according to our dialog box. Insert a column break. If you format a document with column as in some newsletter layout, the text will automatically flow from one column to the other. You can insert your own column break for more control over the document format. Place the cursor where you want to the column to break. Click layout, then click break. As you can see in this figure, first we have to put the cursor from where we want to break in column, and then we have to go in the layout option. In layout we have to click on the break option, and then we have to select the column, as you can see in this picture. A menu option will appear. Click column. A column book break is inserted. Click home. So hide paragraph marked to C. As you can see in this figure, that we have to click the icon in the home button. And now in second figure you can see the column break. Now, what is text wrapping? Want to have a caption text around a picture? Select the text beside the picture and select text wrapping. This will let you keep this text together with a consistent formatting and will flow the rest of the document around this section. As you can see, text wrapping, we have to click the text wrapping. When we click on that, separate text around object on the web page will appear, such as caption text from the body text.